The obedient freedom train, or what we can call the emancipation train, hits Imo State today, specifically Owerri, the Imo State capital, and it was like a tsunami. But the important part of that visit, or that rally, we will dissect a little bit as we go ahead. INEC seems to be the umpire of Nigerian election. Would they deliver? Or would they say they will deliver and end up not delivering? Or would they be what we call talk, not do? They will say they will fulfill their promise of delivering credible election in Nigeria. We will see. The Vice President of Nigeria, Osibanjo, seems to be tilting towards Obi. He said Nigeria needs to shift from consumption economy to production economy in the past. Today, at the Carol of Line Lessons in Abuja, he said to the voters, choose a man after God's heart. Is this supporting Obi silently? Welcome to Open Whispers channel with Chris Digos. See something, say something, and do something. A country without a vision suffers. And it's only the truth that can set the people free. Obi hit Owerri today. I remember a lot of people saying, or naysayers, who have the opinion that Obi can never campaign in the southeast for whatever reason known to them. Obi campaigned in Abia, and today campaigned in Owerri, and the reception was resounding, silencing the critics. But I know they will come up with other things. But it is what it is. Osibanjo says, choose a man after your heart. But our silent moment from Obi'S Owerri political rally is this. Obi is the man we know. By no other person by this little boy who hawks on the street of Owerri. That tells you the acceptance, the hope, the aspiration of the common man of Nigeria, as against what we saw in Chatham House in London yesterday, where questions asked to the presidential candidate of All Progressive Congress, Bola Ahmed Tinubu, were all delegated to surrogates. And one begins to wonder, are we in for another Yaradua saga? Yaradua, a very beautiful man with kind-hearted, but he wasn't healthy, and he ruled by surrogates. Is that what we'll see? So for all those who are supporting Bola Tinubu, especially those in diaspora, I ask you this question. Do you love your country? In years to come that you want to come home, because I know most people in diaspora, Nigeria happened to them. That's why they left Nigeria. Their honest desire at one point is to come home to Nigeria. What kind of home will you come to if the mess that is in the Nigerian political system keeps happening and you keep on electing people who rule by surrogates? I just want to throw it out there for you to consider. Other than this young man or this little boy who wrote in his basket, the Obi we know. Who are these other presidential candidates? Our other silent moment is the moment Hope Uzodinma, the governor of Imo State, welcomes Obi. Look at that. He says he approved the venue for the rally because he wants to prove to the world that he's playing politics of no bitterness. And this is why people, in my opinion, or Hope believes that he is one of the smartest politicians, smart in quotes, that Southeast will ever know. Hope Uzodinma, the governor of Imo State, is a cat with 9 lives. 9 lives. He knows what to do. He's playing safe by not antagonizing Obi in case Obi wins. Politics without bitterness. This is what I expected Obaseke to do of Edo State. This is what Governor Sule of Nasarawa would have done. At the end of the day, it's for the common good of Nigerians. Well, keep that in mind and let me know what you think in the comment section respectfully. Hope Uzodinma, is he playing politics without bitterness, or is he playing safe by being smart? Could he say it's by half? Let me know, get in the comment section and let me know. Finally, remember I mentioned that INEC, the Independent National Electoral Commission of Nigeria, the electoral umpire, has the sole right to conduct Nigerian general election. Will they deliver? If you watch this video, you will see that they were caught napping again. INEC staff in Lagos, in Festac particularly, were caught copying numbers of people's PVCs. And I really know that this is going on in a lot of states in the Federation. But I listened to INEC and they said that regardless of what you do, that 2023 general election will not be rigged. Has it already been rigged? Are they speaking in double tongues? Get in the comment section and let me know also. Do you think INEC will deliver credible election in 2023 as the electoral, as the umpire? Or do you think they are playing games? Get in the comment section and let me know. Our final story for today is what Osibanjo just said in Abuja. He said, vote for a candidate after God's own heart. Who is he referring to? The other time he said that Nigerians should focus on shifting Nigerian economy from consumption to production. Who is known by that axiom? Get in the comment section and let me know. Is he secretly backing Obi, knowing that Tinubu is not capable mentally to be Nigerian president? Tinubu could have been the best governor in Lagos, in quotes, but that was 20 years ago. I mean, I'm trying to balance and be objective. You should remember that what is at stake is 133 million Nigerians living in abject poverty. This is the people that matter. 2023 general election is almost like less than 100 days away. Shall Nigerians make the right choice and avoid ethnic sentiments, religious sentiments, and move Nigeria forward? Are we able to look ourselves in the mirror in years to come and say, you know what, when it mattered most, I counted, especially those in diaspora. You are enjoying in diaspora electricity 247, water 247. We can't see such things back home because of political wickedness from the elites. If you support the wrong candidate, that means you are an enemy of Nigeria. This is Criticus in Open Whispers. Be well, do good work, and please keep in touch. Until we meet again in the arena, remember to keep a date with us. Subscribe, hit the like button, share the video. Remember to hit the thumb up. That is the only how the YouTube will promote our video. Cheers.